Wildcats! Welcome back to La Cultura.
I'm Gabriela and Alejandra.
And I'm Alejandra Diaz.
We created La Cultura to highlight the beauty and excellence of Latin culture here at Paloma and around the world.
On our first episode, we showed you some influential Latin music, but today we'll take you on a road trip to an LCC meeting where we played a really popular Mexican game called Basta.
LCC meetings are held in room J201 during second lunch with Mr. Coronado, aka the best teacher ever. Here you can make new friends, get involved in the Latin community, get to learn their traditions, as well as get a chance to participate in Latin culture-related community service events. For example, we got to participate in the Tamale Festival in downtown Riverside and the Dia de los Muertos Festival in Lake Elsinore.
In this club, we get to do many fun activities and games you probably never heard of, such as Basta, which is a game our members are playing right now. We also play more well-known games like Loteria, which is really exciting and competitive. If you win one of our games, you also get to enjoy some prizes such as candy or snacks. We also do potlucks where you get a chance to try different Latin cuisine or sometimes just a good old pizza party.
This pretty much is a little overview of what goes on at our meetings. So if you're an underclassman or a junior and want to be a part of something fun, join LCC next year. Well, as you can see, LCC is a fun way to get involved in the Latin community here at school.
Yes, I definitely agree. And for our next segment, we are headed into the kitchen.
Ooh, sounds delicious.
Hi guys, welcome. We are in the PVHS kitchen and we have a very special guest with us. She is the LCC social media director, Victoria Madrigal.
And then today we're going to be making esquites, and these are all the things you need to make them. So you need a can opener for the elotes, you need tajín and chamoy, that's optional. It's just like for the toppings to go on top, and then you need queso cotija and mayonnaise.
So let's get started.
So we're gonna have the corn with 1 block of butter, right?
It's with 1 tablespoon of butter.
1 tablespoon, right?
So now that it's ready, we left it on here for like 7 minutes. We're gonna put it into small cups so then we can prepare it.
And we're gonna crush it to make sure it's all crumbly. So, yeah.
So right now we are putting the mayonesa inside the esquite, and then after we're gonna put some cheese on it. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Mine's a little more pink than the other ones because I put a lot of chamoy in it, but yeah.
And mine is just regular because I just put a little bit of tajín and chamoy.
And then mine's just regular too. I just put tahini on it. So.
You guys want to try it?
Yeah.
1,
2, 3.
It's really good.
Thumbs up.
10 out of 10.
Now back to the studio.
Those are some good esquites.
Did you know the word esquites comes from the Nahuatl word esquitel, which means toasted corn, and is one of the most popular snacks sold by street vendors.
Wow, that is so cool. I did not know that.
Well, Wildcats, I hope you enjoyed this episode of La Cultura.
See you later. Adios.
Adios. We hope you stay in tune for what's next on Season 2 of La Cultura. We are sure that it'll be lots of fun and exciting stuff for you guys. Being a part of La Cultura and LCC has been such a great experience, and I wish I could do it all over again. We've made so many memories and so many friends that it's hard to say goodbye. Thank you again for having us as your hosts. We will miss you all. Goodbye, Wildcats.